The future of full-color 3D printing is officially here. Look at the incredible detail on this figure. The secret is smart color mixing. Our software accurately translates digital textures into reality using CMYK filament blending. No more tedious manual coloring in your slicer. Just load your file and the converter does the magic. Whether you use a SnapMaker or a bamboo printer, Anycubic Kobra X, FlashForge Creator 5, it's time to upgrade your workflow. Bring your digital assets to life in full color. Head over to my channel profile for the download links.